Hello everyone, here is our challenge today, and a lot of students might be saying, hey mister, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen, multiplication, division, multiplication, the easiest math operation, I learned this stuff in the third grade, so that's fantastic. But right now, go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section, and I'll give you 99% that you solved this question absolutely wrong, because it looks like the easiest challenge, but in the same way, a lot of students fail to solve this challenge, and a lot of students don't know how can we solve this correctly. First of all, I want to write this challenge right here, so in this first interpretation, so we have 9 times 9 divided by 9 and times 9. So here's our challenge. And a lot of students say, okay, right here we have multiplication, right here we have the same multiplications of the same expression in this case and the same expression in this case. So 9 times 9 equal to 81, yeah, and right here we have the same 81 with this division in the middle, so 81 divided by 81 equal to 1, and we have this option. This is option B. So a lot of students say, okay, this is a correct solution, and they go to the next challenge. But in terms of math, it's really great to know about order of operation, and it not work only in math. Yeah, in terms of math, for example, in biology, you should know a correct definition. You should know a correct formula in chemistry or wherever. Yeah, so it works like that. You should know what is the correct method, correct thing, correct property, correct rule to do challenges. Because in terms of math, right here, it's really great to know about order of operation, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to know what is the correct order to do this problem, okay? So in terms of math, it's really great to know about order of operation. And in this second interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to order of operation. For example, let's use this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation, and I will use this to this challenge. So first of all, let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge and in this PEMDAS order of operation, because we should find what is the first step, because higher position, higher priority. So saying in other words, parentheses has the highest priority, exponents has the lower than parentheses, obviously. After parentheses, we should evaluate exponent. Next, we should evaluate multiplication division group. And the next step is addition and subtraction group. Okay, so what do we have right here? We have multiplication, we have division. Okay, so right here, if you look closely, multiplication we have right here, and division we have right here. And obviously, we don't have addition, we don't have subtraction, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses. Okay, so really great. And right now, what is the correct order to do this problem? Because that's why we, of course, we use this PEMDAS. And what does this PEMDAS tells us? Right here, we should find what is the first sign from left to right, because multiplication division has the same priority. So we should find what is the first sign from left to right, and doesn't matter what the sign will be, like multiplication division, doesn't matter. We should find what is the first sign from left to right. And obviously, right here, the first sign from left to right is this multiplication. So we should multiply 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. Absolutely the same step as we had before, but right here, completely different approach, because right here we rewrite this expression right here. So we rewrite this expression, yeah. And right here we have the second step. Our first sign from left to right is this one. We are not going to divide to multiply 9 times 9. Right here, the second step is this one, because we find the first step is the first sign from left to right. Right here is this multiplication. Right here is this division. So 81 divided by 9 equal to 9. So 9 times 9 times 9 equal to 81. And really interesting moment, because we have this option. This is option C, and a lot of students confused, a lot of students arguing with each other about the answer. One part of students tell that correct answer is B, another part of students correct answer is C, and it turns into a big argument. And here's my explanation. If you look closely to this first interpretation, it looks like great solution, but in the same way, this is the worst solution, because you solve this question absolutely randomly. We just multiply right here, we multiply right here, which is very bad thing. We can't solve our challenges randomly. Okay, and in this moment, this is a great solution, but when we have parentheses, if we have parentheses, this is a great solution. Then this is a great solution, because then we should multiply 9 times 9, and right here 9 times 9. Okay, so right here, this is our approach, and of course B is a wrong answer, because this is a great solution with parentheses. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so this is a wrong solution. What about this solution? We solved this according to PEMDAS order of operation, so it implied that this is a correct solution. You can also check this answer in your graphing calculator, or don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that that types of calculator works with problem as you type it in. So try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem. So plug in the whole entire problem, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation, and of course you will have this answer 81. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so thank you for your support, thank you for your time, and see you in the next videos.